Hello everyone, this is a 52-inch Harbor Breeze Edenton ceiling fan. I installed here in my boss's parents' house. Not really my cup of tea, but it works for them. And they like it, so we're going to show it running. It's 3 speeds. And they've got it in reverse, so that's just how I'm going to show it. It might look like that it's coming out of the ceiling, but it's not. It's just a sloped ceiling with that boxes bolted on there real good. In all honesty, I mean, it doesn't spin very fast. It's kind of underpowered if you ask me. But they like it, so. That is it for that. Thank you for watching, and I hope you enjoyed.